Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Kaggle and confirming your account settings. This gives you access to kernels, datasets, and the API. Once done, install the Kaggle CLI and store your Kaggle JSON in the correct folder with strict permissions so automated downloads work. Next, be explicit about your project goal. Choose keywords, preferred file formats, maximum size, and license constraints. This narrows searches immediately and saves time when you run queries. You should type precise queries and combine terms with quotes and in slash or to reduce noise. For example, search satellite and land cover to focus results. Make sure to apply filters for file size, vote count, update date, license, and dataset type so you only see feasible options. Once a promising dataset appears, open its README and glance at the schema and sample files. This tells you whether the format and data quality match your needs before you invest time downloading large archives. You can download via the web UI or, preferably, use Kaggle Datasets download for reproducible scripts. Include unzip to automate extraction. After downloading, validate by checking checksums or file sizes, sampling rows, confirming encodings and missing value markers, and testing a quick load in your analysis tool. If something is wrong, examine the dataset's version history and issues. If necessary, open an issue or fork the dataset and publish a corrected notebook so others benefit and you keep progressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.